Hey guys, welcome back to Confection Chaos with me, Karen. Today I'm gonna show you how to make this chocolate ganache tart. Fancy name, but very, very simple to make. You don't even need to turn on your oven. So come on, let's get to it. So let's gather our tools and ingredients. First, you will need a 9-inch tart pan, one with a removable bottom preferably, 24 Oreo cookies crushed, and also you will need 6 tablespoons or 85 grams of unsalted butter melted. Now let's gather the ingredients for the filling. We're going to need 1 cup or 170 grams of chopped bittersweet chocolate, 1 cup or 170 grams of chopped milk chocolate, 1 cup or 240 milliliters of heavy cream, a 1/4 cup or 56 grams of butter cut into small pieces, and a teaspoon of salt. Alright guys, so now we're prepared to make our crust. This is our melted butter, so all we have to do is pour the melted butter into the Oreo crumbs and mix it up. You're just going to mix it till it's moistened and all the crumbs have been coated. Okay, so it looks almost like Play-Doh, and that's the consistency that you want because this is going to be pressed into your tart pan. All right, now let's get pressing. Okay, I got my pink gloves. Like them, guys? Aren't they cute? You don't need gloves, but I prefer them. So just basically put the Oreo mixture and start pressing. I would do the bottom first and then press against the sides later. What would help you here is taking a cup and pushing down as well so that you get a nice flat bottom. You can grease it so it doesn't stick, or you can also use a spoon and just kind of press it down. So just take all the mixture and fill up the pan. All right, almost done. Ta-da! All right, look at this beautiful crust. Okay, so now we're gonna put this in the refrigerator and let it sit for 30 minutes until it's firm, and then we're gonna start making our filling. So now that we got our filling ingredients gathered, let's pour the chocolates together in one bowl. The butter, and also the salt. Okay, now let's go take our milk and boil this. Okay, I just finished boiling my cream. Now all I gotta do is just pour it over the chocolate, butter, and salt. Now let that sit for about a minute. I'll give it a minute and we'll come back to it. All right, so now that we've let it sit for a minute, we can now start taking a whisk and mixing it up. Now, the trick here is to move in small circle-like movements. So you can do this, but it's gonna be messy. But start in the middle and kind of just do little small circles and then work your way out. This way you get a more even mixture and it's less messy, I think. So keep doing this until it all comes together. Okay, we're basically done. The mixture is very, very smooth. There's no lumps, there's no bumps. And now we're ready to pour it into our tart shell. All right, let's go get that tart shell. All right, our tart shell has been sitting in the fridge for about half an hour. So now it's ready. I'm ready to pour this mixture into the tart shell. Don't waste any of this, guys. Scrape down the bowl. Scrape, scrape, scrape. Oops, I got some on the table, that's fine. All right, so now you can tap it out to make it a little flattened. And now we're gonna put this back in the fridge for about, I would say maybe give it 10 minutes, and I'm gonna take it back out and we're gonna decorate it. All right, so this is what the tart looks like after 10 minutes of sitting in the fridge. It's not jiggly on the top anymore. And the reason why I wanna let it sit for 10 minutes before I do decorations is because if you put it on when it's too liquid, all your decorations will start sinking to the bottom. So I want it to have at least a little bit of surface area so that it can sit on top. But it'll still be sticky enough so that it'll adhere to the top of the tart. So what I have here is some dried or freeze-dried raspberries and also crumbled up Oreos. You can do anything. You can use fresh fruit, but I choose to use these two. You can do whatever you want. So I'm gonna start decorating and see what it looks like at the end. All right, guys, look, this is the final product. Look how pretty. All right, well, actually, this is not the final product yet. You still have to put this back into the fridge for 3 hours. Yes, I said 3 hours. You wanna let it set up nicely so that when you cut into the slices, they'll give you nice, clean slices and not gloppy slices. So it's worth the 3 hour wait. So go put on a movie and I'll see you in 3 hours. See, guys, that was so simple. You didn't even have to turn on the oven for that one. So the last thing we gotta do right now is to taste it. I've already pre-cut myself a slice, but in order to make a really clean cut, what I would do is heat up a knife and then slice it, and then clean it up, heat it up, and then cut the other side. And then you'll get very, very clean slices like this. Slices that will impress. So let's give it a go. That is so smooth. That is so decadent. If you serve this, you probably don't need more than a slice, but I can't guarantee you that. So make two, it's so easy, you might as well, right? But yeah, make this for Easter, because Easter's coming up and would be the perfect dessert item. Also, if you want to get somebody something for Easter, go check out confectionkaos.com. This is our Easter special. This is our handcrafted chocolates. This is the bunny. This is the Easter egg. And they're all made to order. So when you place the order, it doesn't get made until you order it. Also, our boxes are also hand painted. Look at that. Each one of these boxes are hand painted. So every time you place an order, they go, oh, Danny ordered, so we're gonna make the package specifically for Danny. So this is, yeah, look how beautiful. All right, so if you like what I did today, please subscribe to this channel. Please like this video and also give me some suggestions. Put some comments down in the comment box and let me know what you would like me to bake next. And again, I will try to make it as simple as possible for you guys, all right? So remember, always end the day with something sweet, and I'll see you next time. Bye!